Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 71st algorithm video. In this task we are given a list of numbers and a variable b which contains a digit. Now we have to traverse through the list of numbers. If we encounter a number in the num list which is equivalent to b variable digit, then we double the value of b. So for example, we start traversing from left to right. We first encounter 1, then 2. This 2 is equivalent to the start value of b. So we double the value of b. So 2 times 2 is 4. Next we reach 3 and then we reach 4. 4 is equivalent to the new value of b. So we double the value of b. The new value of b would be 8. Then at the last index of num list, we again encounter 8 which is equivalent to the new value b. So the new value of b at the end of the list is 16. So this is our result. Now let's make the algorithm. The b value at the start of the coding is 2. This is our list. For I in num list, if I is equal to b, we double the value of b, and at the end of the for loop I print the value of b. So the value of b at the end of the list is 16. Now if I change the value of b, let's say 3, what would be the value of b once we complete the for loop? So the value of b at the end of the for loop is 6. Why? Because the start value of b is 3. So first we reach 1, then 2, then 3. This 3 is equivalent to 3, so we double the value of b, which becomes 6. Then 4 and 8. We have reached the end of the list. We haven't encountered 6 number in the num list, so the final value of b is 6. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.